Hi guys, my name is Talent. Welcome to Queen T channel. Thank you guys for your subscription and thank you for your support. So today I'll be decorating a vanilla and caramel cake. We'll be using yellow and white buttercream. So let's enjoy. Perfect. So now it's time for chocolate dripping. Yes guys, chocolate dripping. So guys, whenever you're making dripping, make sure that it's not watery. It must be thick enough not to run, because unfortunately my own, it wasn't that thick. So at the end of the decorating, it was running over my buttercream. I was so disappointed, but you know, we learn from our mistake. Since my camera was a bit far, I decided to take a closer video with my other phone. So let's see how it came out, guys. Remember I told you about my watery chocolate dripping. Let's see. Oh yes, though I'm disappointed, but I still love it. Tell me, what do you think, guys, and what's your advice? Now it's time for the final decorating part, guys. Let's do it and see how it's gonna come out at the end. going to add my happy birthday cupcakes. Okay, so now we are done with our decorating. Thank you guys for watching, and please do tell me what you think.